Ganga. How it all just comes back, ना?
I think it's very scary also जब आप एक पेट से अटैच हो जाते हो because
Yeah.
then उनके लॉस से भी डील करना बहुत मुश्किल है.
ये मेरे साथ हुआ था एक्चुअली मेरी पहली फिल्म में. There was one dog जो मेरे साथ था स्कूल के वक्त से, and he was like my dog, you know, and he was like वो मेरे पीछे पीछे आता था. मैं स्कूल से आती थी तो he used to go ballistic, and he was like he used to sleep in my bed.
What's his name?
With his head on his pillow, on my pillow. Nugget.
Nugget.
His name was, yeah, he was a cocker spaniel. Then I started shooting, and he had gotten quite old, so वो ज़्यादा activity भी नहीं कर पाता था. But मैं बाहर थी कहीं shoot के time पे, and he passed away, and nobody told me.
ये दबंग के वक्त.
Yeah, and then when I came back from that schedule, they told me that he passed away, and I died. Like I felt so bad. Like I didn't even get to say bad. Oh, I'm really crying now. But yeah, it was quite sad.
Losing a pet, I feel, is like.
So after that, I kind of got detached from like animals. After that, I've not really had a dog. But yeah, I really miss him.